Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are great. This is a 60-day course and you are on lecture number 23. Today we will talk about computers. So this is the first question. Are you expert at using computers or using computer? If you're talking about a particular machine, a laptop or a computer, then you can ask, are you expert at using computer? Otherwise, computers generally. But this is an important phrase structure, expert at plus gerund, ing form, expert at driving, expert at using, expert at teaching, expert at eating, or good at eating. I am good at eating. That means I eat easily. I feel no difficulty while eating. So I'm expert at eating. I'm good at using computers. So the similar structure aims at, most of the time people use this structure, aims at, he aims at, or this workshop aims at promoting leadership skills. So aims at promoting plus gerund, ing form, verb with ing form. For example, the person says that, yeah, of course, I'm expert at using computers. Then you can ask the next question, how long have you been using these devices, these gadgets, these machines? How long have you been using? That means for how long, when did you buy your first computer? For example, if I talk about myself, when I was in grade 2, I bought my first computer. That was a big CPU and a big monitor with a heavy weight, and we had 2 GB hard disk in that computer. It is in 2002 probably, yeah. And the next question is, what should be the features of a good machine, or what should be the features of a machine for graphic designing? You can ask for graphic designing, for video editing, for digital marketing, for best gaming. So these can be your choices. Good machine for anything. This is a prepositional phrase. Could you throw some light on the latest phones? Latest phones, an important phrase structure. Latest machines, latest laptops, latest computers, latest gadgets, latest devices, anything latest. So this is a requesting style. Could you throw? Could you? Could you is basically the past of can, but it is also used for extreme level request. It shows a polite behavior. Like, could you please help me, sir? That is a polite behavior. Could you throw some light? Could you throw some light on the latest phones? And what is the best phone, or what is the price of iPhone 15? What is the price of Samsung S24? So what is the price of this model or that model? These are the questions related to computers. So let's move to the next questions. These questions are related to the internet. For example, the person is using internet. You may ask general questions. How do we avoid hackers? How to avoid hackers? Do you know how the hackers scam on the internet, or how do they hack your accounts? Could you throw some light on how to secure your account, how to secure your social media accounts, or how to secure your YouTube channels? So these questions, how to secure, or how do we secure, or how do we keep our accounts secure, account or accounts. Keep our accounts secure, or keep our account secure. So the techniques might be told by the person you're asking the questions. What's the best channel for learning English? What's the best channel for learning English? What's the best channel for learning digital marketing? what's the best channel, or who is the top English teacher on the internet, who is the best seller, or who is the best a doctor, or anyone, motivational speaker on the internet. This question can generate more questions. What's the best channel, or what's the best social media account, or any account, Twitter or Instagram, or any ID you can ask about that person or that ID or that product or that brand by asking this question, what's the best. The similar structure was here, what's the best phone, or what is the best latest phone. Two adjectives I have used, best and latest. Thank you for watching the video. I would recommend you should ask these questions from your partners, and you would get interesting answers later. You would ask him or her to ask you these questions, and you would practice your English speaking. Take care. Bye.